All right, these are the two flanges here. These tubes will be cut off flush with the flange. One is at 20 degrees and the other one is just perpendicular to the sphere.
As ordered.
As ordered. And again, these tubes will be cut off and these flanges will be ground flush.
Okay.
Got the 2-inch sphere that's going to be welded into the 3-inch sphere. This has the 040 diameter, the 1 millimeter holes that those are done in there with a hole popper, a plunge EDM. These are sealed otherwise, and these are going to be welded in here. They're saddled into the edge here for support. They'll be locked in there. We'll dimensionally measure those and get them in the center and take off the excess. This is a finished thunderstorm generator. We did the final assembly today and the welding. Everything's ready to ship and try out. We've got the flanges on there. Tubes are all spec'd out to the drawings. Anxious for the initial setup and the test results to see what we end up with. You can take the ball out of there, the sphere.
You come right where you are.
Do we need to tack this to the ball?
It probably wouldn't hurt.
Just like that would work.
Hey George, Beckett. I told him to stop doing that.
Yeah, I know.
Every time. He goes and gets himself kidnapped. Turn the key on, and so in there it's all up to you. So when it starts, then it fires up, then you take the choke off and it'll run.
Yeah, what is interesting is the relationship between the input and the output. Can we measure the fuel input kilogram?
We can. Tomorrow. We can't do it now. We just have to get this operational now. So if you want to go and turn the key and get on the throttle, we'll record your results.
This has never been tested. This has just been finished an hour and a half ago.
5 minutes ago.
Okay.
5 minutes ago.
And well,
just to make clear, it was not built with fuel efficiency in mind. Greater principles of the machine can achieve entire 100% fuel efficiency. This is built to eliminate
the real
pollution.
machine.
It does happen to run more efficiently.
Yeah, but the real machine has been hijacked, by the deep state, and had been sitting for weeks in Paris and in London, and we've been deprived. Luckily, we brought this machine with George. So let's go. Do you want to turn it on? And
So you can see the air.
The interesting part for me would be a long time test.
Yeah, we can do that tomorrow. Do you want to just start it now?
We do need to start it though.
Yeah.
Because I need to go and write a presentation.
Okay, we start.
No, you do it.
I do.
You know how to
Yes, around there. It's around the other side.
it's the choke. It'll start bubbling, and the whole thing will be off and running. And you'll see what happens here.
Okay, this is a device measuring the
Exhaust.
gas component.
Carbon dioxide, the carbon
performance it's
monoxide,
intended
oxygen,
for.
hydrocarbons, and NOx.
And
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So
So this is right now normal air with 20% oxygen.
if we get more people, the COs keep going to keep going. But
Remember, CO2 is .004.
So let's
So it doesn't
start.
go down to.
Do you want to start? Turn it on.
Turn it
Might as well.
Hey, hold on, Malcolm. I just want to make clear we're going to run it for 30 minutes before we turn the technology on, correct?
No, it's
The tech
turn it on.
is,
It's
the tech is
hardwired.
on the.
It's hardwired. Excuse me.
What-
you come back
what's
this
the
around this way. Come
So
around.
I
this
have to pull the
No. It's electric start.
way. So you can just come around here.
Oh, before we start a what? Oh, so
What an honor.
Stand here. There's the choke. You know how
Well-
first run. First run.
First run.
And it takes the pressure off. I can stand back here where it's safe.
remember, this thing has never been run. No component of it has ever been.
So make sure that that choke needs to be pushed that way to be on. Yeah, that's it.
I have to hold it?
Hold it and just pull it back as soon as it starts.
Okay.
Yeah, because you don't want it backfiring through
My
there.
first time starting a mechanical engine.
Yeah, go.
Need to turn the fuel on, right? Where is it? Oh, no. Here. Turn on the load. Turn on the load. It's the load. Turn it on. Go on.
So this will be, UV will be going on automatically. That's connected to the generator, so it's generating its own energy to run itself.
Das Gerät wird angeschaltet, oben mit der UV-Lampe. Es ist jetzt ein Extremfall, also ich soll dolmetschen, übersetzen und habe gleichzeitig aber meine Ohren zugestopft. Das ist jetzt ein Kurs. Okay, I have to read your mouse because I can't.
Okay. So we have here the top sphere, and there's another sphere at the bottom. So we have a north pole and a south pole.
Wir haben diese beiden Sphären, wir nennen sie eine nördliche Sphäre und eine südliche Sphäre, also Kugeln.
In the middle we have the equatorial zone.
In der Mitte haben wir das äquatoriale Gebiet,
which is in the quantum physics is your event horizon. What it does.
In der Quantenphysik ist das sozusagen dein, wie heißt der Horizont von einem schwarzen Loch? Nicht Erkenntnishorizont. Hey Leute, es gibt doch diesen Begriff. Ereignishorizont. Danke, Adolf.
Okay. So we're about to turn on, but just shortly.
Der Begriff, den wir benutzt.
Yeah. So what you're doing is you have a positive and negative end, a north pole, south pole.
Du hast also Nord und Süd.
Two tornadoes colliding in the middle.
Negativ zwei Wirbel, die in der Mitte aufeinandertreffen.
So you have a 0 point equivalent to the Schumann cavity on the Earth.
Und du hast dann einen Nullpunkt, der entspricht der Schumann-Frequenz.
Where no matter can occur because there's no frequency at that 0 point, and that is the secret of cold fusion.
That is the important thing.
Yeah.
When it's running.
Equal and opposite spin, but at 0 point.
Diese beiden entgegenläufigen Drehungen treffen sich an diesem Nullpunkt.
And so this.
Da ist keine Materie.
Okay, so we're ready to go?
Do you want to explain the baseline?
Okay, we have a baseline here in this room. Is basically 0 carbon dioxide, 0 carbon monoxide, 20.87% oxygen.
Das ist die Analyse der Gase.
And we have about 1 ppm hydrocarbons, which would be from the fumes coming from the motor. And 0% NOx. That's our baseline where we're starting from.
Das ist die Grundlinie, von der aus wir starten.
Yeah, and we'll start with load on because the technology works better under load. Otherwise, it just oscillates.
Okay, wir werden auch eine Last an diesen Kreislauf hängen. Das ist dieser Heizlüfter.
1, 2, 3, 3, go.
Way!
We've got to go. It's okay. I'll just have to go again there. What we're doing is balancing the vacuum. It swaps from you're operating on petrol, and then you have to swap it over as you close off the petrol. You increase the vacuum by closing off the choke. Normally closing off the choke would mean that you have the motor will stop. So, but trying to get a balance between the choke, which creates more vacuum, so that the creation of more bubbles and plasmoid and more vacuum coming through the bubbler, as opposed to the balance is having enough petrol within carbon to have the process running. We'll run it again, you can see that.
You want to go again?
Yeah.
Okay. Please, when you reduce the load, let's start. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
basically we'll have that data, we'll put it on our website.
Also auch die Daten, die wir dort gewonnen haben bei unseren Experimenten, werden wir veröffentlichen auf unserer Homepage.
The bottom line is that the technology, the system is fully charged, the water is fully charged. That means we have zero carbon monoxide.
Also wenn das System voll geladen ist, dann werden wir 0 CO haben, Monoxid.
And down to zero carbon dioxide.
Und auch nahezu 0 CO2.
No hydrocarbons.
Keine Hydrokarbone.
And the oxygen back up to atmospheric level.
Und der Sauerstoffgehalt steigt auf dasselbe Niveau wie der
Transmutation, by whatever mechanism.
Also egal mit welchem Mechanismus das geschieht, es ist eine Transmutation festzustellen.
It's a fact.
Das ist ein
We have
Fakt.
oxygen.
Wir haben ein hohes Niveau von Sauerstoff, der von niedrig zu hoch steigt, während umgekehrt der Kohlenstoff von hohem Anteil zu einem sehr geringen Anteil ist.
No carbon at all on the jet turbines.
Das heißt, wir könnten also
no carbon at all on the exhaust.
Flugzeugantriebe machen, kohlenstofffreie Motoren.
No particulate carbon in the air.
Und keine Kohlenstoffpartikel mehr in der Luft.
Which means that the internal combustion engine is cleaner than any other technology.
Und damit wird ein Verbrennungsmotor sauberer als jede andere Energietechnologie. Das ist doch eine Aussage.
And diesel is diesel is 100 times the energy density, 100 times the energy density of a battery.
Und das Argument, was dafür spricht, ist, dass zum Beispiel Diesel ja die 100-fache Energiedichte hat von den besten Batterien, die wir heute haben.
So it's appropriate to come to Zurich to announce the technology for Europe.
Ich bin hierher nach Zürich gekommen, um diese Technologie
because
für
it's
Europa
producing Alpine Air. Alpine Air.
Also, meine Maschine produziert alpine Luft.
So, we're grateful for everyone that's participated in this conference. The original invitation that I got.
Also er bedankt sich nochmal für die Einladung, dass er zu dieser Konferenz kommen konnte. Die Hilfe von Thorsten, von den anderen im Team.
From the Albuquerque conference.
Ja, die sich kennen von der Albuquerque Konferenz.
Bob for fulfilling my promise.
Ja,
to Martin Fleischmann,
Freunde.
And to the crew.
Und das ganze Rest, die noch hier sind. Yes, we are very happy for you. Welcome.
Do you offer any retrofit kits?
Yes, we're going into full commercial production. But this is in London. So we're going into full commercial production.
Wir werden in die kommerzielle Produktion eintreten.
This is just for the industrial. We're going into this motor.
Also ihr seht dort eine etwas größere
into full commercial production, the small motor.
Wir arbeiten aber gleichzeitig auch an kleinen Motoren. Jetzt haben wir auch angefangen, einen kleinen.
Depending on the, we've got a lot of work to do, but we want to get it out as a small generator first because it's harder for the establishment to stop the small motors with regulations because you can redo it. Yeah. So we're avoiding the mousetrap.
Wir versuchen die Mausefalle zu vermeiden,
When everyone knows
Systeme entwickeln, die sich nicht so einfach unterdrücken lassen oder verhindern lassen.
When everyone knows their generators work, here's the Honda generator. These are the results.
Das sind die Ergebnisse mit dem Honda-Generator.
9.3% CO2 to zero, 5.48 to zero,
Und ihr seht CO2
20.97 oxygen,
runter auf 0.
so and 199 hydrocarbon to 58.
NOx to 4. That is our most recent test work in that
Das sind Ergebnisse von unseren Tests, also wissenschaftliche Resultate.
So, and you can see similar results. Tip gas, yeah. So the tip gas, so we can take the from rubbish tip to gas with all the pollution in it, and basically, as you can see there, 0.02 carbon monoxide. Again, atmospheric levels of oxygen, hydrocarbons from 1,000 down to 4, NOx down to 0.